you love koala selfies, but stress can kill us. Stop forcing wildlife photos. Admire from distance.
You call us trash animals. You created the trash. Secure it. Do better.
You post, save Earth, then waste daily. Cut consumption. Protect rainforests.
Stop blaming us. You're destroying our forests. Protect habitats, or lose them forever. Think feeding us is cute? It makes us dangerous. Stop! Let wildlife stay wild.
You hunt predators for trophies. That destroys ecosystems. Protect balance.
You want ivory? That costs lives. Stop buying it. End the killing.